All right, boys and girls, let's get warmed up so that we're ready to read. Let's start by practicing some of our letter sounds. Point to the first letter in the box and let's get started. I, ah, I. Great job. S, I, ah, s, t. Keep it up. I, t, ah, I, s. Excellent job. All right, now that we've warmed up our mouth and we're ready to practice some reading, let's read some sight words. All right, let's start up in the box. Here we go. 2, I, yellow, with, is, on, 2, yellow, with, I, on, 2, and, 2, with, and, 2, yellow, on, with, 2, and, 2, I, 2, yellow, on, 2, with, the, 2, the, I. Great job. All right, let's look at those new sounds that we've been practicing. Remember, the first one is AR. Now, don't forget, when R gets next to a vowel, it changes the sound of the vowel. AR, car, R. So when we see AR together in a word, we're going to say R. All right, let's read those words. Hard, yard, farm. Great job. All right, our other R control vowel is OR. OR, horn, or. Let's read the words with or in them. Corn, mourn, fork. Great job. Be on the lookout for any R control words that you might see today in your work. All right, let's read Gingerbread Recipe. Why don't you start by listening to me read it first? Here we go. Gingerbread Recipe. Ingredients: 1 package butterscotch pudding, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 1 egg, 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1½ teaspoons cinnamon. Directions: 1. Mix pudding mix, butter, and sugar in a bowl. 2. Add the egg and blend well. 3. Combine the rest of the ingredients together in a separate bowl. Then mix with the pudding mixture. 4. Chill dough for 1 hour or until it is firm. 5. Roll dough on a board and cut with a cookie cutter. 6. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. 7. Remove from oven. Let cool, then decorate. All right, boys and girls. Now, I'd like you to read it with me. Point to the words and read along. Gingerbread Recipe. Ingredients: 1 package butterscotch pudding, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 1 egg, 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon. Directions. 1. Mix pudding mix, butter, and sugar in a bowl. 2. Add the egg and blend well. 3. Combine the rest of the ingredients together in a separate bowl. Then mix with the pudding mixture. 4. Chill dough for 1 hour or until it is firm. 5. Roll dough on a board and cut with a cookie cutter. 6. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. 7. Remove from oven. Let cool, then decorate. All right, boys and girls. Now I want you to practice reading all on your own. Go ahead and read the passage all on your own. Press pause, check off your second box, and when you're ready, press play again. How did it go? Did you read Gingerbread Recipe all on your own? Excellent. Now we're going to answer some questions from the story. The first question, you'll need your blue crayon. So make sure you go get a blue crayon. How much baking soda does the recipe call for? Go up into the text, find where it tells us the ingredients, and look for baking soda. How much do you need to make gingerbread? Okay, press pause when you're ready for number 2. Press play. All right, for this one, we need our red crayon. What is the second step to make the cookies? Where would I find that? Would that be in the ingredients or in the directions? And which one's the second step? How will I know? What number is the same as second? Find it in the text, write your answer, and underline it red so that I can see where you found your answer. Press pause, and when you're ready for the last one, press play. Okay, for this question, I want you to use a green crayon. What should you do before decorating the cookies? There was a step in there of something you were supposed to do before you decorated the cookies. Look back into the recipe. Look at the directions. What are you supposed to do before? So the step that happens before decorating the cookies. Press pause, find it, underline it in green, and then write it on the lines. When you're ready for the next part, push play. All right, here's your question. Do you like to bake? Why or why not? Tell me if you like to bake. And if you do, tell me why you like to bake. Maybe it's because you bake with your mom or your dad or your grandma. And if you don't like to bake, why don't you like to bake? What is it about baking that you don't find fun or interesting? Go ahead and press pause and excuse me, boys and girls. Answer my question, then push play. All right, here's the last thing I want you to do today. It says make an inference. Why is step 4 important? I want you to circle words or phrases in the passage that gave you a clue. Let's look back at that passage. Step 4, it says chill dough for 1 hour or until it is firm. Why might that be important to do? I wonder if when it's chilled, it will be easier to roll the dough on the board or to cut the dough with the cookie cutters. All right, so go ahead, circle your words that gave you clues in yellow, and then write your answer. So why is it important? Why is step 4 important? Why do you need to chill the dough for 1 hour or until it is firm? I think there's a couple of important words in there. All right. When you're done answering all your questions, make sure you keep your reading in your folder. Tomorrow, we'll practice one more time reading together, and then I'm going to have you seesaw yourself reading it to me. Great work today. Keep it up, and I'll be around to listen to you all read.